2006 Ford Expedition, 5.4 liter Triton. It's got aftermarket catalytic converters right there and right there. Then it winds it to a single, and we did a FLOWMASTER 40 series with a turn down. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is what came off of it. That's all the original stuff on it. Let you guys hear it. Much better. You guys can't really see it, but you can hear it. Go ahead and back it up. It's the Eddie Bauer edition. He's still getting body work done on it. He's going to paint it, put some big wheels on it. 418s he said he's going to put in it. What's the name of your YouTube channel? What's the name of your YouTube channel? Big Chief TV, if you guys want to check out his channel. He's got a YouTube channel. Let you guys hear it in a minute. FLOWMASTER 40 series. You guys can see the link in the description if you want to purchase one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.